Hello and welcome to another video on DIY crafting ideas for your playscale dollhouse diorama. In this video we will be looking at, this is what I started out with, the shelf that was a cube shelf that I changed into a regular shelf but 13 inches tall so that a Barbie can stand up erect in it. And this is the foam that I added to the bottom of the shelf at the front of the dresser, so that way we're giving more space to the front of the shelf. So instead of just having 11 inches deep shelf, I'm gonna have a whole lot more space, almost another 11 inches actually. So I think it's like 9 inches more. And then we're also gonna put a foam board here as well. These foams are from furniture boxes, so it's pretty thick foam. And then I put on a printout of a door for the parlor. As you can see, this is a foam back there. And then that floor extended, I did go ahead and put brown flooring in this room with a little bit of color on the walls there. We did put brown, like a wainscoting around the base of the floor, and this is the piece that's gonna go in the parlor. Now this is just one of the pieces that are gonna go in the parlor. The other pieces that were made are in other videos. So it's a coat rack. This is like a party balloon weight, and we're just going to use this for the weight of with these other metal weights to keep the coat rack from falling over or tipping over. And so we're just adding them together. We're putting the stick in the middle, and to glue everything together we'll be using welder's glue. I know they don't make this glue anymore or sell this glue anymore, but you can use another just as strong glue. After you glue everything together, as you can see, it's glued in together, but now I'm left with this hollow hole here in the middle. So I decided to use my hot glue gun here and just fill up the empty spots that were near the pole, so that way it's a solid piece holding the wood in place so that the wood doesn't move around. And as the glue gets hard, it'll turn into like a hard plastic in the middle. And then I'm gonna just use some little pieces of wood cut like the shape of a circle. I know it's not a good circle, it's a terrible circle, and I'm just gonna put them around the pole at the base to cover up the glue, like so. And then I know this piece looks hideous right now. Well, I want to spray paint it before we put it into the doll's display, but right now it's so cold it won't set. So I do have all of these items here that do need to have work done to them. Now, how can I show them to you? Having it right, the basket right in the way is not a good idea. I need to move it out of the way so that I could show you each piece. Let me just take this out of the way. Again. So I do have a lot of pieces that need to be like changed up. This I got from Daiso, and I like the way that it opened and stuff because I wanted to use it like a freezer or refrigerator in our farmer's market that we're gonna have. So I want to fix that up. And then the next item is this dresser. Now I did get this dresser from I believe a Lorry set from the Target. It's an older dresser. They don't sell them anymore, but I really liked the way it had this little print in the front, this little design on the plastic, like quilted look. what I didn't like is these white, I didn't like these pink knobs. So I really just want to get rid of these pink knobs. I thought I could just break them off, but then I thought I don't want to break the shelf, the dresser. So I'm just gonna paint them, but I'll let you know how that works out, if it works out at all. These are some chairs. These are vintage Barbie Mattel chairs. They are like they're not white, more like an off-white cream color. Not really cream either. I love the texture on these chair cushions. I do have double-sided tape there because I wanted to put fabric on just to like cover up the pink, because I don't like pink. But then I realized I should just spray paint them. Let me show you how they actually work on this seat here. So take this tape off, and then it just sits on there like so easily. And then your doll actually sits really good on these. Her body can go all the way back, and so that her knees bend at the edge of the chair. So it's a good fit for the Barbie dolls. I really like the way the Barbie fits in these chairs in particular. Oh, she got stuck. Oh my gosh, she messed up her hair because there was another piece of tape here. Dang it. Okay, so yeah, so I like these chairs, but I'm gonna have to spray paint these or paint them. I don't know which one I'm gonna do yet, but I like the seats, just don't like the color. And my next item is these chairs. Now these chairs are basically like the same problem with those. The chair is a pink. Now I don't like pink, so I didn't want to change up the item just in case I wanted to sell it later, but I covered them with green and then a red fabric. So I don't know if I'm going to spray paint those or not, but I noticed that when I try to put a Barbie in them, she doesn't sit all the way back, so that's kind of a bummer. This couch here is a vintage couch from Barbie Mattel. It does have these huge arm space things that take up a lot of space. The Barbie does not fit in it easily. Her legs are sticking out so far. It's like I think it's like, if you look at the table here I have, it's like 4 inches. You count the squares, she's like 4 inches away from the chair. So see that? So I do not think I like this couch as much as I should. I hate the color purple. I don't like the color pink, and I hate the color purple. There's something wrong with me. Okay, so I don't know about this couch. I mean, if she's a little bit sideways, I mean like this, like, I guess that's why they made it so wide. You can get away with her legs sticking out 3 inches instead of 4 inches. But still, that's just taking up so much space in the dollhouse diorama. It's not like the dolls have a huge amount of space in their shelf. So I figured if there was another cushion or the chair was a little bit higher, the doll would be able to I would be able to get away with having her legs stick out like 1.5 inches, maybe just 2 inches. If the couch cushion was a little taller, she would be able to sit a little backer. Her legs wouldn't stick out so far. So I don't know what I'm going to actually do with this couch. If anybody has any ideas, I mean, I don't know if I should make another cushion, because then they would just make these armrests seem weird, because they'll be the same height as the cushion. This is her. She's sitting on the side. She is like 1 inch away, you know, so that's good. But like I said, I don't know if I should. I don't know, you know. I mean, it would look really dorky to have a big cushion there. Maybe I'll put up the legs. This piece is a vintage piece from Barbie Mattel. It does open up. It is a closet piece, I believe. You can put storage in there. It is really damaged. I did get this at an estate sale, so you know, I'm not surprised. And the year on that is 1992, so it is really old. And I guess whoever had it didn't take very good care of it, so that's gonna be sprayed. After it's cleaned, it's gonna be spray painted, I believe. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do with it exactly, but I know I want it. And these pieces are pieces from a Barbie Mattel like castle or something. These are from a chair. This is the back of the chair. Again, it's like an opal white, not really white. And I took the cushions off because they were pink, and I just want to spray paint them. I don't want pink, so that I know I'm going to do that with that piece. The next piece that I have to work on is this rocking chair. This also is an older piece. It is white, and then, oh god, I almost lost these 2 sticks. It's white with a pink, and let's see if I can see the year on this. 1997. Okay, so this is a baby Chrissy rocking chair. I couldn't think of the name for a second there. Baby Chrissy rocking chair. It does have the pink there, and as you can see, it has little knobs that you could just poke out the pink seat part. And I believe that that's what I'm gonna do, because I like the bumpy part on it, like, so it looks like it's a quilted pillow. But I don't want it to be pink, so I'm gonna spray paint that after I remove it. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have got a lot of work cut out for me. I don't even know what I'm doing because I want to spray paint a lot of these things, but it's so cold outside, spray paint won't even set right now. So maybe come summer I'll be able to work on these pieces. I gotta spray paint, you know, like a lot of things. Like I will be spray painting this, and spray painting that, spray painting that, spray painting that, the seat cushions. So that I will just do something else to it and paint those things. So as you can see, I have a lot of work cut out for me. I don't know, all these things are just, I like them, but they are causing me so much confusion as to what to do for them exactly. I know I think I'm gonna start on that piece first, and then the other ones maybe wait till summer. But I think I could start on the white dresser and just paint the little knobs white with paint instead of spray paint. And then these items I'll wait till summer to spray paint them. Spray paint is not set when it's really cold out, so, and it's been less than 75 here. But I think they will turn out really good once they're all spray painted another color or something. But let me show you what is ready. Here it is, guys, my new office. The video is coming up either today or tomorrow. It will be on my other channel, and I hope you'll watch it and subscribe to this channel and my other channel. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with another video for you. Until then, you can check out one of these videos. Bye!